Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I'm going to show you how I put on my fake eyelashes. We're wasting time. Hey Hotties, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am Ali Mack and I am currently a 7th grade math teacher. As you can tell, it is almost midnight or past midnight, depending on when I get this video finished. I've literally slept almost all day. I cannot believe I was so tired from this week. So I was like, what is something I could do super duper quickly that I know how to do, mostly? Put on fake eyelashes. So I'm gonna show you what I do because I've never seen anyone do it quite like this. That might be a bad thing. Maybe I'm doing something that could damage my eyelashes. I don't know. So user be advised, I am not a professional. While you're here, please click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. Do it now. I also want to point out that this video is not sponsored at all, but I saw this deal on Instagram. Lily lashes, $5 a piece. With me, I have Dallas and Orlando. I think the ones I'm going to put on are Orlando. Now, technically, you do not have to buy these. In fact, my favorite ones to start with, and to me, the easiest ones to put on, are these Kiss lashes. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do this are your lashes, black eyeliner, mascara, and black liquid lash glue. I'm not really sure how to show you, but this is all you need. Also gonna need tweezers. Let's get started. Now, if you have never put lashes on before, more than likely when you try this tutorial, you are not going to get it perfectly. What really works is lots and lots of practice. I will link the video that I learned on in the description below. It was a lady named Jordan, and I really found her tutorial very easy, but I put my own spin on it. The first thing you're gonna do is put on black eyeliner on your top lids. Step 2, put just a little bit mascara on your lashes. Real quick, let's talk lash glue. I prefer black, and let me tell you why. When I would use the white duo, I'd put it on and I thought it was beautiful. And then my husband, when I get home, he'd be like, you look like you glued your lashes on with Elmer's glue. And I was like, what are you talking about? And then I started noticing other people wearing white lash glue, and it looked like little white things just caked onto their eyes. Now, whether I applied too much or whatever, that's not a pretty look. So black is your friend, and to be honest, duo is probably the best choice, but it's hard to find, for me anyway, duo in black. So when I buy duo in black, it comes with the white. I've also tried Lily Lash glue in black and House of Lashes glue in black. The Lily glue, they say it doesn't work as well. It'll work for maybe 5 hours or so, but it doesn't last all day. This is the best one, House of Lash Glue, I think, and Duo is a very close second. But for this tutorial, I'm using the Lily because the others are almost out. And I haven't been wearing lashes as much since COVID, and I don't want extra surface area on my lids, and I don't want whatever adhesives on there to stick to COVID, and then I'm probably freaking out. But anyway, so the next thing you're going to do, so you're going to very gently peel off your lash you could do this with your fingers or your tweezers. Just very gently pull them off. And you're going to measure them. You're going to stick them on your lash and make sure there's nothing hanging off. This one seems to fit me perfectly, so I don't have to trim it. But if it was overhanging, you need to get some scissors and you're going to trim at the ends, the outer corner, not the inner corner. And I just do a little bitty bit at a time. So it doesn't seem like I need to trim these, so good for me. Now, we're on to the part that I do that is different from every other tutorial I've seen. You're going to take your lash glue and go over your black eyeliner with the lash glue. The next thing you're going to do, you can use your tweezers for this part, but a lot of times the Kiss lashes will come with their own little device, but tweezers were just fine. Then you're going to coat, they say lightly, but every time I see people say coat lightly, they like slap a lot on there. But basically you're just going to cover this with lash glue as well. Focus on the ends. And then let it get tacky. Everyone says to wait about 30 seconds. I usually wait a minute. That's just me. I seem to wait a minute. If I wait less than that, it's still wet. By the way, I promise this is not going to be a makeup channel. I guess that it's kind of teacher life, teacher lifestyle, and part of me is I love makeup. But I promise this is not going to be a makeup channel because I am nowhere near the experienced. I'm not as experienced as a lot of the other people on this community, obviously. Okay, so once your glue gets tacky, and I'm trying to see if I can tell a visible way for you guys to see. There might be one, but I'm just not sure what it is right now. Okay, so once you've got your glue and it's tacky, you are going to try to aim so that the end of your lash is going to be at the outer corner, okay? So I just try to aim for the end of the lash to be at the outer corner. And I'm just going to drop it straight down, okay? And then let it go. Okay, so this is where your tweezers come in handy. You are going to grab the end. This is the part that takes a lot of practice, and set it down. And you can even try to get in between like so and give it a little pinch. Okay, and then do the same thing with the inner corner. Drop it down. And if you can, try to get in between. Like I said, this is probably the most tricky part of the whole thing, obviously, because this is the part where you're actually applying. Squeeze. Squeeze your real lash and the fake lash together. And there, it's on. Let's do the other eye. Same steps. Very gently. Pull this off. If I would have had to trim them, I would have pulled them off at the same time. And then I would have made sure that I trimmed them at the same place. One thing I do like about these more high-end lashes is that they come already like that, curved. Whereas some of the other lashes I have bought, like as soon as you take them off, they curl up. Like these Kiss, I think they're called Flirty. As soon as you take them out, they get all like this. Which, it looks natural, but I have a hard time applying those. One thing I really like about the more Lily Lash and House of Lashes lashes is the fact that they're pretty much in the shape of your eye already. And I feel like that makes them a little bit easier to apply. But that's just me. So we're gonna do the same steps. We're going to we're gonna cover our black eyeliner with the lash glue. Then we are going to put the lash glue on our actual lash. And I don't know why, y'all, but for some reason it's harder for me to apply lashes to this eye than this one. I'm always a little bit more careful on this side, so. Now we're just gonna wait for it to get tacky. I usually wait over a minute to let them get tacky. Okay, so same thing as the other eye. You're going to line up the outer corner of the lash to the outer corner of your real lash, and you're just gonna drop it down. Now, if I mess this up, I'm sorry, we will redo it. This is always the eye that I have the most trouble with. Okay, so drop it down. Then take your tweezers once again and make sure that the lash is actually on the lid right above your real lash. And then give the lash and your real lash a little pinch, like so. And lastly, optional, you can finish off with mascara. But what I do is I try not to touch the real or the fake lash with the mascara. I try to only get my real lashes with the mascara. Okay, we're done. That is it. Now, one more thing. You might not have got it this time. It takes practice. I remember one whole summer when we didn't have to go to work because, you know, I'm a teacher, and I just wore fake lashes everywhere I went. And I just practiced. Some days they looked good, some days they didn't look good. But by the time that next school year got there, I was an expert, sort of. I hope this helps you guys. All right, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below the gold star emoji. And as always, you guys have the best day ever, and I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow and hopefully won't be so late. Goodbye.